Gusto lang po natin maging malinaw, Mr. Chair, na dati ay ayaw po ng dating Pangulo dun sa ICC, pero ngayon ay okay lang na mag-investigate po yung ICC. Tama po ba ang narinig natin kanina, Mr. Chair?
Mr. Chair, the ICC does not scare me a bit. They can come here anytime. I suppose that you would want to maybe make it easy for them to visit and start the investigation. I would welcome that. Alam mo, wala naman tayong taguan. Eh. Ang sinabi ko, yung ginawa ko, sinasabi ko na sa inyong ginawa ko. I did it for my country and for the young people dyan sa droga. No excuses, no apology. If I go to hell, so be it.